Appspotr offers powerful tools for managing users with user groups. By organizing users into groups, you can streamline app management and tailor user experiences. Three default user groups are provided: anonymous, users, and registered users. But you can also create custom groups to fit your needs. For example, you could create an admins group with specific permissions or a group dedicated to receiving particular push notifications. To create a new group, click the Add New User Group button. You'll need to give your group a visual name and a system name. Remember, the system name can't have spaces, so use underscores. Once your custom group is created, you can add users to it. To do that, click on the group name and you'll be directed to the user group screen. On the user group screen, click Add New User in the top right corner to see a list of all users. Simply check the boxes next to the users you want to add to the group. You can also edit user details or reset passwords from this screen. After selecting the users, click the Add Assign Users button. The selected users will be added to the relevant user group, making it easy to manage who has access to what within your app. User groups in Appspotr offer a flexible way to manage users, permissions, and notifications.